Disconnect the power cable from the car battery. You can contact us via binizeofficial@gmail.com or WhatsApp at 8,613,312,163,297. We will arrange a customer service manager to assist you personally. Additionally, we have prepared a small surprise for you. Before installing the rear casing, you need to install the GPS antenna first. Otherwise, the GPS antenna cannot be installed after the rear casing is fitted. Secure the rear casing with these screws. This is a 20-pin multi-function wiring harness. These two are USB connection cables. This is the fan power cable. It needs to be connected to the corresponding connector on the 20-pin harness. This is the microphone. Please note that this microphone must be connected. Otherwise, you will not be able to use the microphone function. These two are radio antennas. Select one cable according to your vehicle's connector type, and connect the other end to the original vehicle. Connect this to the CAN bus box. Connect this power cable to the car radio. Connect amp con on the 16-pin harness to amp cant on the 20-pin harness. This is the amplifier control wire. This is the power cable for the CAN bus box. Connect it properly. This is the reverse camera included with our product. Connect the red connector and black connector of the camera. This is the 5-meter video transmission and signal control cable. Connect the yellow connector of the camera to this yellow connector. Twist the two red wires together, then connect them to the positive terminal of the reverse light. Note: must be connected to the positive terminal of the reverse light. Do not connect it to the brake light by mistake. Connect this black wire to the negative terminal of the reverse light. This 10-pin connector is for the reverse camera, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth antenna. Please plug it in securely. Connect the yellow connector at the other end of this 5-meter video cable to the 10-pin reverse camera connector. Connect the pink wire of this 5-meter harness to the reversing camera power supply 12 volts wire on the 16-pin power harness. This is the power positive, negative and account wire. Connect it to the corresponding connector on the original vehicle. Connect this to the corresponding connector on the original vehicle as well. First, fix this frame onto the vehicle. Then install this original vehicle frame. After all harnesses are connected, start the vehicle first to power on the unit, and check if there are any unconnected harnesses left. After the check is completed, fasten the car radio with the clips, and the installation is finished.